Hello children, today we are going to learn about lesson 8 units and tens. Now we have 10 balls. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈಗ ನಾವು 10 ಚೆಂಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We will make it a bundle by drawing a circle around it. ಅದರ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ವೃತ್ತವನ್ನು ಎಳೆಯುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let us count and write the number these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 apples are there. First, let us make a bundle of 10 and fill the number of bundles we get in tens place. Here we have one bundle. Let us draw a circle around it. In 10th place, let us write 1. Now count the remaining apples. We have 2 apples. Write 2 in units place. Now the number of apples is 12. Now here they have given some apples. Write the number of units in the given box. Here 1 apple is equal to 1 unit. Here 2 apples is equal to 2 unit. 3 apples is equal to 3 units. Here 4 apples is equal to 4 unit. Here 5 apples is equal to 5 units. Here 6 apples is equal to 6 unit. Here 7 apples is equal to 7 units. Here 8 apples is equal to 8 units. Here 9 apples is equal to 9 units. Now let us see how many apples are there. Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When it comes to 10, it will becomes 110. 110 is equal to 10. In the same, 2 tens is equal to 20. 3 tens is equal to 30. Children, here we have some of the objects. We should circle only 10 objects. First, we have ice creams. How many ice creams are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, totally 12 ice creams are there. Now, we will circle 10 ice creams. We will write 10. Now, count the remaining ice creams. We have 2 ice creams. So, we will write 2. Here we have flowers. How many flowers are there? Let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Totally 14 flowers are there. We will circle 10 flowers. Now we should write the number of flowers inside the circle and outside the circle. There are 10 flowers inside the circle. So we will write 10. Now we will count the number of the flowers outside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. So we will write 4. Here we have dolls. How many dolls are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Totally 16 dolls are there. So we will circle 10 dolls. Now we should write the numbers of dolls inside the circle and outside the circle. There are 10 dolls inside the circle. So we will write 10. Now we will count the number of the dolls outside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dolls. So we will write 6. In this picture, children are buying some bananas. Shall we help them to count? ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 1 bunch of banana has 10 bananas. Now we will see this number of bananas purchased by them different situation. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಒಂದು ಬಂಚ್ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ they buy 1 bunch of bananas and no single banana. Then totally how many bananas did they buy? 1 bunch means 10 bananas. So here have 1 in tens place. What is that in this basket? Nothing. So it is 0 unit. 1 and 0 can be written as 10. Next Devi purchased 1 bunch and 1 single banana. 1 bunch means 10 bananas. ಒಂದು ಬಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿರುತ್ತವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, 10 ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು 1 bunch ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 1 in tens place. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ there is only 1 single banana. So we will write 1 in unit place. 1 and 1 can be written as 11. Therefore they purchased 11 bananas. Next Devi purchased 1 bunch and 2 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in 10 place. Next there are 2 single bananas. So we will write 2 in unit place. 1 and 2 can be written as 12. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 3 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. There are 3 single bananas. So we will write 3 in unit place. 1 and 3 can be written as 13. They purchased 1 bunch and 4 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. Next there are 4 single bananas. So we will write 4 in unit place. 1 and 4 can be written as 14. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 5 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. Next there are 5 single bananas. So we will write 5 in unit place. 1 and 5 can be written as 15. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 6 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. Next there are 6 single bananas. So we will write 6 in unit place. 1 and 6 can be written as 16. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 7 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. Next there are 7 single bananas. So we will write 7 in unit place. 1 and 7 can be written as 17. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 8 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. Next there are 8 single bananas. So we will write 8 in unit place. 1 and 8 can be written as 18. Next they purchased 1 bunch and 9 single bananas. 1 bunch means 110. So we will write 1 in tens place. And next there are 9 single bananas. So we will write 9 in unit place. 1 and 9 can be written as 19. Next they purchased 2 bunches of bananas. 1 bunch has 10 bananas. Then how much will 2 bunch have? Yes, they will have 20 bananas. 20 bananas means 2 tens. 2 tens is written as 20. Okay children, I hope all understood this lesson. We'll meet you next class. Till then stay safe. Thank you.